Bhatia from Institute of Economics and Management Studies. Students, we have covered volume 1 to 15. Now we will start a new volume called volume 16, that is panel data model, fixed and the random effects. In this we discussed about the panel data. So what is a panel data? A panel data is a powerful combinations of time series and cross-sectional data. Means it covers time series and cross-sectional data. So when it cover time series and cross-sectional data, we also say it is a longitudinal data because it involves observation on multiple entities. It takes observation on different entities like individual firms or countries over multiple period of time. Say for example, the annual income of 100 household that we have tracked for 10 years, which give a variation and more accurate inferences, because 10-year data give will be a better results. So now the question arises why it is important, or you can say the advantages of the panel data. So panel data controlled the unobserved heterogeneity, that is individual specific effects. It will control individual heterogeneity, individual specific effects. It also control or reduced, you can say, multiclonarity and more degree of freedom, and it can be a efficient estimators. It enables dynamic modeling like lagged effects. Now we'll discuss about the pooled OLS, ordinary least square, a baseline model. Pooled OLS treat panel data as if a pure cross-sectional data, that is alpha plus beta xit plus uit. But this ignore individual specific traits like ability, firm culture, etc., which will lead to a bias situation. Now we will discuss the fixed effect, or you can say FE model. Fixed effect model allow each entity to have its own interception, that is yit equal to alpha j plus beta xit plus uit. Means it capture individual specific time variant effect. In this there are two common methods. First is least square dummy variables. Student, I am again saying you, please look the previous videos. Least square dummy variables means adding dummies for each individuals. Second method will be within the estimator. It removes individual means to eliminate alpha j. Here we assume that the unobserved effect of alpha j is correlated with xit. There is a correlation of alpha with xit. We assume in that model. Next is RE model, that is called random effect model. Random effect assume that yit equal to alpha plus beta xit plus vit. Here vit is equal to uit plus alpha j. Here the individual specific effect of alpha j is random and uncorrelated with xig. In previous it was correlated, here it is uncorrelated. So RE is more efficient as assumption holds true. So if we see the key differences between the fixed and random, so we can say that the important features of fixed and random effects, like alpha j correlation, correlated with XIT, uncorrelated with XIT, it used dummy variables, not efficient, or you can say less efficient, but unbiased, more efficient if exogeneity holds. Now we will discuss the Hausman test. Hausman, Hausman test, means to choosing between fixed and random, we use Hausman test. So our null hypothesis H naught will be RE is more appropriate and HA will be FE is appropriate. If test is significant, we prefer fixed effect. So now question is, when to use FE or RE? Use fixed effects when, or random effects, it concerns with the individual effects interested in the population inferences, alpha j. It is likely correlated with regressors and likely uncorrelated with the time invariant variables. It is not needed in time invariant variables. So in the conclusion we can say that panel data model offer a powerful techniques to improve empirical research by controlling for unobserved heterogeneity. So in this video we have explored both fixed and random effects model. We have also seen their assumption and how to choose between them. In the next volume, we will work on applying these models, practically using the softwares that are used in this model. So thank you very much. Students, if you like our video or video series, please subscribe for more econometric. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe.